Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Thoughts are not falling. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? Wow, 3 yellows. I think you are manifesting this happy life and this happiness into your life, and there is some positive changes is coming. Something big happiness is coming into your life, Virgo. Yes, there is some positive shift is coming towards you, and you are manifesting this happiness into your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, the World. I think in recent past you are holding back, you are not expressing your feelings. Maybe your person treated you as an option. 5 of Pentacles is here. You was hurt in past because they treated you as an option. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection, and this is on and off connection also. And for some, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. This causing so much anxiety in you and deception in this connection. That's why you decided to hold back. And for some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then present, King of Swords, Ace of Wands and 4 of Cups. Now you are more logical than emotional. Yes, you are thinking through your logical mind. King of Swords energy. You are very straightforward in nature and very honest person. And Ace of Wands and 4 of Cups. Yes, still you are feeling missed opportunity with your person. And Ace of Wands, you want passionate new beginnings. But it is not happening right now. That's why you are feeling very low. But now you stand by your power. King of Swords energy. Then future, Page of Pentacles, 3 of Wands and the Magician. You're still waiting on them. Definitely you're still waiting on them. Maybe you turn your back from your person but still waiting on them. Yes. You are juggling between moving on and waiting on. And Page of Pentacles, definitely someone want to communicate with you. Page of Pentacles. And this person could be immature. For some, children also involved in this connection. And in near future, you will be in this energy, Magician. You will manifest whatever you want. You are manifesting 10 of Cups happiness. And the Sun card is there. Definitely there is some positive news is coming. Some positive shift is coming in your life. So I think you are holding back. You are turn your back from your person because they are not treating you well. That's why. But you still want them in your life for some. For some, you are juggling. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Virgo, first we will see your person feelings. How they are feeling about you right now. Their current feelings. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Devil. Yes, right now your person is guarded. I think you are in no contest situation, lot of you, because right now, you person the hermit, they're undergoing some spiritual awakening process. You person right now going through some spiritual awakening. And Six of Swords and Devil, yes, definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you, but they're guarded up right now. Yes, Nine of Wands energy, and the Devil is here. For some, this person may be toxic for you. They are obsessed with you. Yes, there is obsession. Definitely they want to talk with you, but right now they're guarded, but they're planning something. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or other Virgo. Definitely it's see, Four of Swords again. I think you are in no contact situation for sure. Page of Pentacles. For some third party situation also involved. And Eight of Cups and the Star. So for some who are in separation, maybe your person is walked away from this connection. Now your person want to leave behind everything which had happened between both of you, that is negativity. So maybe you both have argued, maybe you both have disturbances between both of you. Your person want to leave those all negativity and want to come forward and want reconciliation with you. So they really want to work on this relationship, because Three of Cups with Eight of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship, but it is slow moving energy. And the Star, yeah, they have high hopes on this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Capricorn or Virgo especially. And the Four of Swords, right now your person is healing from their past hurts, from their past wounds, and but they're thinking about you, they're obsessed with you, that's why they want to come back. They're heavily obsessed with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. Yes, in after this phase, definitely they will make a move towards you. And the person involved in this connection would be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and the outcome. King of Wands. Yes, they will make action. And they are very, very passionate about you. But strength, right now maybe your person is scared to make a move towards you. Maybe they're scared for rejection and they're getting their strength to come back. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. And Temperance with King of Wands, they're waiting for right time to make a move, to make a action towards you. Because right now your person is healing, undergoing some meditation, doing some meditation to heal their self. So yes, they're willing to make action. Temperance again, patience is the key. Definitely they're patiently waiting for right time to make a move towards you. Yes, you also have high hopes on this connection. And Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Maybe your person, more than one person is fighting for your attention. For some, you have two persons fighting for your attention. And Queen of Cups, you still have strong emotions towards this person. Virgo, yes, you have strong emotions. You both are wishing for the same. Yes, Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Lot of confusion. You both are in confusion. For some, you both are dreaming about each other a lot. And Six of Pentacles. Definitely, in past, there is no equal give and take in this connection. But now, in near future, when you both are working on the same level, definitely there will be equal give and take is coming in this connection. Yeah, right now, you both are missing and dreaming about each other a lot. For some, maybe having options also. So definitely they will make a move towards you, but again it will take some time, because right now Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. So they're patiently waiting. So they want to restore the balance in this connection, and they are planning and they will execute the plan. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Virgo. Be bold and make the first move. And your hard work is paying off, New Moon and Capricorn. So if you're doing hard work towards your career or towards your goals, whatever, definitely your hard work is paying off. And be bold and make the first move. So if you want to make a move, and if you want, depending upon your situation, and this is the message for you, be bold and make the first move. So Virgo, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.